everyone, today I'm going to be making a diamond painting and a very huge one at it. I honestly do not know I ended up filming this because it was over like 35 hours of work, so it's a lot of work compressed into one video, but I had so much fun making this. I've only made one diamond painting before and it was very small. It was just like a dog for Christmas. I got this diamond painting off Joann's, and I did not know at the time, but it is from a very big diamond painting company called Diamond Art Club. And honestly, I freaking love the quality of their stuff so much. The number one thing that really strikes me with their quality is how good the canvas is. I know one of my biggest problems I had with that first diamond painting was the canvas was just all wrinkly and annoying, and it seemed like no matter what I did, the edges were always curving. And it's just a pain in the butt. Like when I get something, I don't want to have to like flatten it out for hours first and then it won't even work. But this, the canvas is definitely a little curled once you get it out of the box, but just by laying it on the table, it would just like basically automatically flatten out because the material was just so soft and thick. It was just so easy to work with, and honestly, that would be one of my biggest reasons why I would keep shopping from them. The other thing that I really love about Diamond Art Club's paintings is just how beautiful and crisp the images always seem to come out. I think first off, the reason why is because they make a lot of their canvases so big, which I think with the type of artwork they use is definitely necessary. I really don't like how people will get like a really complicated image and then make it a super small diamond painting because you just lose so much of the details. It looks like a blurry picture, and when I'm making the diamond painting, I want mine to look as close to the real image as possible. So with that really big size, it really helps it. And I think just the fact, the way that, however they're rendering it, they do an excellent job. I mean, you can see them, they'll change little details from the real painting to the diamond painting if it'll make it look better. And it's just amazing how they do it, I think. And also the colors of their diamonds are just always so bright and crisp. That's another difference I always notice with a lot of other companies, is there's just something about Diamond Art Clubs that it's just so vibrant for whatever reason, and I really like that as well. The other thing that was really awesome about this specific design was the fact I could buy it off Joann's. I don't know if Diamond Art Club still sells anything with Joann's because I haven't seen anything online, but at the time where I bought this last year, there were a few designs on there, and diamond paintings always seem to be 40% off on the site. So I was able to get it at a really good discount, which is awesome. And I know right now they also have some designs at Hobby Lobby. So if you want to try one and get it at a cheaper price, it's definitely cool that they have those designs available. For the actual Diamond Art Club paintings that are available just on their website, I feel like it definitely seems expensive for a lot of them, but I realize just it is what it is because of the quality. The quality is so good. The canvases are humongous, which most companies do not make canvases this big. And I think really that's the main reason why it seems expensive, because other companies, when you're buying their diamond paintings, they're either a lot smaller or they're only partial diamond paintings. These, it's the full canvas. I mean, this was a 24 by 18 inch canvas, and I've seen a lot of diamond paintings that are even bigger than that, which is crazy. Because, remember, I spent 35 hours doing this, and that was with me using a multi-selector tool. I mean, I know some people, they want to do it dot by dot, and that must take so long. So you're really getting so much time of enjoyment out of this, because that was 35 hours for me spread out probably around 5 to 6 months. So really, it might be a big investment at first, but I feel like you're going to enjoy it for a long time. And the quality is just, I don't know, I love the canvas quality. The canvas for me is really just what makes it, because again, I just hate having to deal with stupid wrinkly canvases. So I definitely, in the future, I will keep looking at them. Right now I have the Himeji Castle coming, which I'm super excited about. And I just got to try to only do one at a time. And I feel like then it won't be that much of a burden. But I'm definitely excited to do more diamond paintings in the future. I didn't realize this was going to be something that I really enjoyed so much, because I had only done one little tiny one in the past, but I don't know. The designs I see on their website, they're just so beautiful, so it makes me kind of want to keep doing more and more. The other really interesting part about doing a diamond painting of such large scale is that you don't really see the image being created as you're working on it. So I did a little diamond painting before of a dog, and the whole thing fit on my desk. I was looking straight on at it. I could see the dog being created. But here, I was basically looking at a little section at a time. And when you're this close to the diamond painting, you really don't see the image being created, because that's what pointillism is about. You're not supposed to see the image close up, but when you go far away, you can see the image really clearly. So it was kind of frustrating and interesting at the same time, because I was working on this painting, and a lot of the time I'm like, this is going to look so bad. Like, I didn't see the images being formed. I'm like, oh dear, like I don't know, I'm kind of worried about this. And then I would step back for the day after I'd finish, and I'd see it just a few feet back, and I'm like, wow, that actually looks so crazy good. And it was really cool being able to, after all that work, see the final image before your eyes. But I guess for some people that's probably kind of frustrating, because for a lot of hours I was working on it and you're not seeing the image, and you know, that's the moment that makes you really happy, is seeing that final image. But that was also really cool. Working with a bigger size is that aspect. I'm also really glad these big canvases come with a multi-placer tool, because I use that thing so much. I mean, if there are a lot of the same color in one area, I am just using that tool. But it's crazy. A lot of people, they like to just do it dot by dot, and I feel like at that point I would get so frustrated. Like, I really can't imagine how long this must take if you do it that way. But I know that way, supposedly, it's supposed to make the dots be like in really straight lines, which was also something I was kind of worried about working on this. I would put it down and then I would usually go back and move them a little bit, but I think most of them were pretty straight. They were good enough. Overall, I am really excited that this piece is done and I can hang it up now, because I think it just looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm so glad I did it, because this really made me enjoy diamond painting, and I definitely think I'm always going to have one diamond painting going on as a crafting hobby. So I'm really excited to keep seeing what new designs come out.